Hey guys, so I'm really sorry because hey guys, so I'm really sorry that I'm taking your lecture on this Bhaiya Dooj occasion. Actually, I am Jan and we don't celebrate this Bhaiya Dooj. We celebrate it on Dashera, not on Bhaiya Dooj. But yes, because I haven't taken your lecture at 10 p.m. yesterday, because I fell down from the stairs and that's why I wasn't able to take the lecture. So I'm taking this at this time. If you are like busy, you can't. If you are busy, then you can watch my recorded lecture for this day. But yes, we you can follow me each and every day. You will find out the notifications for every lecture that is posted on this channel. So guys, I'm really sorry, and I hope you have enjoyed your Diwali with full, masti and all. So guys, welcome to Let's Crack JEE channel, and this is me. My name is Komal Jain, and you are on the biggest platform, that is Unacademy. So guys, if you don't know about me, then I have done masters in chemistry from IIT Guwahati, and I was one of the topper of IIT Guwahati, as well as I have done BSc honors chemistry from Gargi College, Delhi University. I have worked in many institutes like Rao. I have worked in ICAT. I have worked in Zinadu classes. Um, I have also taught in DPS schools, guys. With that, I have cleared so many entrance exams. This is the list, and the list is not ended yet. There are exams that I have cleared, but I haven't posted it. Otherwise, the font become very small. So, guys, just like that, I got 31 all over India rank in CSR LS exam, 76 all over India rank in Junior Research Fellowship. That is for the PhD, and so this is all about me. So welcome to Let's Crack the channel, guys. Okay, so because this channel is run by an academy, and your requirements are fulfilled in this channel. So let we talk some let let us we talk about an academy learning app first. Guys, if you like interested in watching the in watching a particular session, or a particular educator, you want to watch uh, his or her lecture, then you can go through that Unacademy learning app. Because if you want to take the subscription, guys, then please watch his or her special class first, so that you get an idea that how will he teach or she teach in the in the plus course. Okay, so you can install this app from Play Store. As well as, if you take the subscription, guys, then you get daily live classes, you get live tests and quizzes, you get structured courses, unlimited access. So guys, daily live classes means monday sorry Monday to Sunday there will be a class, like 7 days in a week. There will be a class, and there will be class for all the subjects like physics, chemistry, maths. Okay, so if you get a subscription, if you enrolled in a batch, then you will get the classes, physics, chemistry, maths classes every day. Okay, and every day the class will be of 1 hour or 1.5 hour, like physics 1 hour or 1.5 hour, chemistry just like that, maths just like that. So guys, you are getting 7 days in a week. Or if I like come up with a 1 hour class, then you can easily find out that 7 hours we are giving you for each subject in a week. So if you compare, guys, if you compare this from the offline courses, then you will find out this that the number of hours are higher here as compared to the offline. Because of that, actually, you get more time for the similar content here. So you can get the detailed detailed information, detailed content, as well as you can practice more. There are also dedicated doubt sessions. So every fourth lecture of the special of the plus class is a doubt session, so you can easily clear up your doubts. You can take live tests and quizzes, guys. There is an unlimited access. You can go through the lecture of each and every educator. You can download their notes. Even your favorite educators take lectures at the same time. Then you can go and watch the recorded ones also. You can download that lecture also. So guys, there are too many options, and even the price are very less. For example, if you are interested to go and attend the offline course, then you know that there are transport prices involved, transport prices as well as the time. So transport prices, just for example, you spend 100 rupees each day. You spend 100 rupees each day for the transport, and let's suppose half an hour. So you are actually wasting not half an hour, 1 hour. Let's suppose you are spending 1 hour uh, of your day in transport, and 100 rupees each day. So you are actually wasting 3000 rupees as well as 30 hours of your month. If you s- you know if you save this price, if you save 3000 rupees and if you save your 30 hours, then you can imagine that you can easily crack IIT, because 30 hour means if you are like doing 20 questions in 1 hour, then in 30 hour you will be doing 600 questions, right? 600 questions, and 600 questions make a big impact, because 600 question every month. So you can imagine, if I multiply 12 into 600, you can imagine how many questions you can do in 1 year, and that will make a great impact, guys. And every time when the students call me, that they actually tell me, ma'am, we don't get a time. Guys, a time is fixed. You have 24 hours. Now it depends upon you how you manage those 24 hours, where you are wasting your time, where you are, where you can extract your time. You can go and do the useful work there. So it only depends upon you. So that's an idea, guys. And there is also a subscription called Iconic Subscription, and the Iconic benefits are only available on the Unacademy, not on any other site. Because here in Iconic Subscription you get personal coach, you get test analysis. For example, if you are giving a test of thermodynamics, then let's suppose from the 100 marks you get only 20 marks. Hi Sherville. Hi Sherville. So let's suppose, guys, if you are like giving a thermodynamics test, then from the 100 marks, out of 100 you are getting only 20, then that doesn't mean that you don't know anything about thermodynamics. It means that there are topics in which you are weak. Let's suppose you are weak in enthalpy calculations. So guys, how you will get to know that you are actually weak in this topic of thermodynamics? You will get to know this thing from the test analysis, and that is only available on Iconic Subscription. So if you want to attend, a batch just like an offline batch, then go for the plus subscription. That will not harm you, guys. And if you like want extra benefits that is not available anywhere, then you can go for the Iconic Subscription. But Iconic Subscription is costly, guys. If you can afford, then go for this. Otherwise you can go for the plus subscription. Both are very good. Study planner also is given in Iconic Subscription, guys. For example, you don't know how to study, you don't know how to guide yourself, you don't know how to manage your time, you don't know how much question you can do, then study planner, we give you a customized study planner based upon your mental level, based upon your uh, you know how you study. So, and also you get all benefits of plus. So this is all the detail that I have provided you here. I think it has given you a clear idea. So guys, if I talk about the prices, then in plus subscription you get four benefits: India's best educator, interactive live classes, structured courses, and PDF live tests and quizzes, guys. So these four benefits you get. Also on Unacademy there are many educators, many educators. Even the quota's best educator, that is Vibrant Academy, that is just hired by Unacademy, guys. So you can imagine if India's top educator are all present on Unacademy, so where you are going, guys, you can easily study from them by at your home only. So this is the best thing. As well as if you like a teacher from Mumbai, if you like a teacher like physics teacher from Mumbai, chemistry teacher from Bombay, sorry, Mumbai and Bombay are both are the same thing. If you like a teacher, a physics teacher from Bombay, chemistry teacher from Kota, and math teacher from, let's suppose, Kanpur, so you can't attend, you can't go you can't go Kanpur, Bombay, and Kota at the same time. But they are actually coming close to you via an academy. So this is the benefits, guys. So for the if you're planning to take 1 year subscription, then you have to spend like 38,500. But you can get a discount, guys. If you like use my code KJEN code, then you get 10% discount and you will get the same thing in 34,650. And that means you are actually spending 3,208 rupees for all the subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, for all the subjects per month. So actually you are spending only 1,000 rupees per month for a subject. For a single subject you are spending 1,000 rupees only, guys. And that is actually matched with your transport prices, guys. If you are planning to take 2 year subscription, guys, one second, guys, one second, I'm actually not able to see your, yeah. So if you are planning to take 2 year subscription, then you have to spend 56,000. But there is a thing, that is a discount. You get the discount by using KJEN code, and you get 10% discount, and you get same thing in 50,400, guys. So that means you are spending 2,333 rupees per month for all the subjects: physics, chemistry, maths. For all the subjects you are actually spending only 2,333 rupees per month. So I think for one subject you are actually spending only 800 to 750 rupees. And for the iconic subscription you get all the benefits. India's best educator, interactive live classes, structured courses, and PDF live tests and quizzes, personal course, study planners, word guidelines, test analysis. So guys, all the benefits are there. For 1 year you have to spend 56,000, and you get the same thing in 50,400 when you use my code KJEN code for getting 10% discount, guys. And if you are interested to take 2 year subscription, guys, then you have to spend 86,000, and that will actually cost you around 77,400 when you enter my code, that is KJEN code, for 10% discount, guys. So this is my schedule, guys. This is my schedule. Everybody, like, I have told you that time is not decided yet. I have given you an idea about my timings. So I have decided the timings, guys, and I hope so I will not change these timings. So people are saying me, and you guys told me, ma'am, please fix one time for the special class. We can't follow you on Monday, Wednesday, Friday for this different timing, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday for the different timing. So I fixed the timings 9:30 a.m. because 8 a.m. is very difficult for you to wake up. So that's why I've decided the timing 9:30, and most probably the timing for the YouTube class will be 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., guys. But please check the timings for each and every session, because I don't know that this slot is available or not, because on YouTube one time at one time only one educator can take the live class, or if at 9 p.m. there is a educator who is taking your live class, so that I can't take your class at 9 p.m., then I have to take your class at 10 p.m. only. So guys, please follow me, please follow this channel, subscribe this channel so that you can get the daily updates. And these are the topics. Unacademy, I am actually teaching MS Chauhan and topic of your choice. If you want to like study a special topic, please message me 2 days before. Like if you want your topic to be taught at Tuesday, then please message me till Sunday. Okay. And at 7 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm teaching a capsule course for all organic reactions, in which I'm giving you the best note with the noteworthy points, so that at the exam time you don't have to study your 10 copies for organic chemistry. You have to study only one copy or only the notes that I am providing you. And YouTube, Let's Crack JEE channel, guys. Most probably from this weekend we will start with the organic chemistry track. And you know that in this channel, Let's Crack JEE English channel, we are actually studying full chemistry, and the current topic is mole concept. So all the best, guys. So this is my schedule, and today on the plus we will be solving the doubt clearing session. We will actually solving your doubts. Yeah. So let's start. In the previous classes, in the part 1 and part 2, we have already studied what is chemistry. We have studied the importance of chemistry, as well as we have studied matter, states of matter, and the classification of matter. We have already studied those things. And in the previous, in the second part, we have studied the measurement. We have studied the SI units. We have studied the prefixes, as well as I have solved many and NCRT exercise questions for you. We have studied accuracy and precision, scientific notations, uncertainty in the measurement, significant figures, and yeah. So we have done the rounding off and we have solved this question. Till this point we have completed, guys. Now in this class, one second. Yeah. So now in this class we will be doing some things that is given in your NCRT, and that's a very easy topic, guys, that you already know from your previous classes, from your 8th class, 6th class, 7th class. You already know that what is mass and what is weight. So let's talk about the mass and weight. Guys, if I ask you what is your weight, what do you say? You can actually tell me that your weight is 50 kgs, right? Or 57 kgs. Just like me, my weight is 56 kg. So I will tell you that my weight is 56 kg. Now, is it correct, guys? Is it correct? Good afternoon, Siddharth. Good afternoon. So, is it correct if I tell you that my weight is 56 kg? Or the correct sentence is my weight is 56 kg on earth? Tell me, guys, which is a correct sentence? My weight is 56 kg or my weight is 56 kg on earth? Tell me. I think you can easily tell me if you know from physics or you're from class 9th and 10th. Yeah. So my weight is actually 56 kg on earth. If I go to moon, then my weight will change, because weight depend upon the gravitational force, and gravitational force vary from planet to planet. That's why my weight will change. But if I say you my mass is 56 kg, then it will not change. Why? Because mass does not depend upon the gravitational force, and that makes the big difference between mass and weight. So weight is dependent, yeah, or weight depend upon gravity, mass does not. So that's what I have written here. Yeah. So you have calculated, Siddharth. My weight will be 9 kg. So if my weight would be 9 kg on earth, then I will not be an educator. I will be a I would be a child only. Yeah. Oh, you know that. Good job. Good job. Okay, so let's define mass and weight. Guys, mass is nothing but it tell you about the amount of matter present in a substance. It tell you about amount of matter present in a substance. Okay, while weight is the force exerted by gravity on an object. On an object. Okay, so if I'm standing upon on any surface, like in earth, at earth, so I'm standing on any surface, then gravity is actually exerting some force upon me. So that force is nothing but called a weight. That's the simple thing. Okay, so we can say mass of a substance is constant. It does not depend upon gravity na. So mass of a substance is constant, whereas its weight may vary from one place to another due to change in gravity. Due to change in gravity, my weight can be changed, but mass will not. Let's talk about this thing in detail. For example, guys, I have a bottle. Now this bottle is actually constant from my lecture 1 to lecture 3. Okay, so I have a bottle. I have taken some water in it, and the amount of water that I have taken in this bottle is constant. If I have closed the if I have closed this bottle, then the amount of water will remain constant in this bottle. It will not change. It will not change. But if I'm taking the weight of this bottle, like I have put this bottle on a weighing machine, let's say on earth, then let's say its weight come out to be 20 let's suppose 250 grams. Okay, 250 grams. Then if I take the weight of same bottle on moon, let's suppose, then the weight will not come 250 grams. It will come less than that, because the gravitational force on moon is less as compared to the earth. Okay, but the amount of water will remain constant. The water that is present in this bottle is till this point. Okay, and in moon also the amount of water will remain the same. It will not change. Okay, that's what I mean from mass and weight. Okay, but the SI unit of mass is kilograms. So every time you use kilograms for the mass. Okay, so let's talk about some volumes, guys. I have given you the clear idea about mass and weight, I hope so. So let's talk about the volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a substance. It is the amount of space occupied by a substance. For example, if I'm sitting here, guys, then I have occupied some space. Some space. I have occupied some space. How much space? I have to minus everything, like this boundary. So I have taken some space. So this space is nothing but called the volume. Called the volume. And the volume has the unit of length cube. Length cube. Now what is the SI unit of length? Length SI unit is meter. So that's why the SI unit of volume will be meter cube. Because volume is nothing but length cube. Length cube. Therefore the SI unit of the volume will be meter cube. Meter and then cube. Meter cube. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So one thing that you have to remember, guys, कि whenever a person ask you what is the SI unit of volume, then you will always answer as meter cube. You will never ever answer as liter. Some people has confusion that volume has a SI unit of liter, and that's not correct, guys. That's not correct. Volume has a SI unit of meter cube, because we have already studied the SI units. We have already studied the SI unit where we haven't mentioned liter there. We have mentioned meter there, but we haven't mentioned liter there. Okay, so that's why liter will not be the SI unit of anything. Okay, but we have taken this liter for our convenience only, for our convenience only. And how it is related to the meter cube, let's understand this thing, guys. 1 liter is nothing but 1000 ml, and 1 ml is actually equals to 1 centimeter cube. Okay, 1 centimeter, or I can say that 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter. Okay, so you can easily calculate from here. 1 centimeter is actually equals to 1 upon 100 meter. 1 upon 100 meter. Okay, so we can calculate 1 centimeter cube will be how much meter? 1 centimeter cube will be equals to 1 upon 100 meter cube, and that's nothing but makes 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube. Okay, so we have 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube will be 1 centimeter cube. So 1 ml will be equals to 1 centimeter cube. Let's suppose I am doing not this here. So we have 1 centimeter cube will be equals to 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube. Okay, and that's nothing but equals to 1 ml. So I can easily relate this thing with the ml. Now I will relate this thing with the liter. Okay, so let's do this thing. Okay, guys, so we have, now we know 1 liter is nothing but 1000 ml. Okay, and 1 ml is nothing but 10 to the minus 6 meter cube. So what can I write on the place of ml? We can write 10 to the minus 6 meter cube. Okay, and that's nothing but will be equals to 10 to the minus 3 meter cube. So we can write the SI unit, that is 1 meter cube, will be equals to 10 to the power 3 liter. So that's how we get the point, or we get the relation. Okay, so that's how we get the relation. 1 meter cube is nothing but 10 to the power 3 liter. Now you can imagine if I take my volume in the SI unit, then it will be very high, guys. 10 to the power 3 liters. 10 to the power 3 liters. So that's a very high. So that's why we in our daily life we use only liter. But if some person ask you what is the SI unit of the volume, then you always answer as meter cube, guys. Okay, so remember this relation, guys. Remember this relation, and that's nothing but equal to 10 to the minus 3 meter cube. So remember this relation, guys, for your exam, because this relation is very important for your exam. Okay, so now how the volume is calculated, guys. This is the thing that tell you actually how the volume is calculated. For example, if you want to measure 1 centimeter cube, then how can you measure? This is nothing but equals to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. So if you take like cube of let's suppose length 1 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter, and height 1 centimeter, then that cube has a volume of 1 centimeter cube. Or we can say 1 ml of the liquid can be put in that cube. which has all side equal to 1 centimeter cube. Okay. And in lab there are different different apparatus for measuring the volume. For example, burette, we have burette, we have pipette, we have graduated cylinder, we have volumetric flask. In the volumetric flask there is only one mark, for example, if you want to like measure 1 liter volume only. Okay, so you can take the volumetric flask of 1 liter that has one mark only, that is 1 liter mark. Okay, if you like want to measure 500 ml or half liter, then you have to take the volumetric flask of 500 ml. So whatever volume you want to measure, you need a different volumetric flask, guys. But in the case of graduated cylinder, there are marks for different mls. Let's suppose you want to take 10 ml, then you can easily take the 10 ml. You want to take 10.2 ml, then you can also measure easily, very easily 10.2 ml, because that has the marking point. And there is also pipette. Pipette is used to take the volumes in ml, not in liter. For example, if you want to take 10 ml, then you have to take the 10 ml pipette. Okay, if you want to take 20 ml, then you have to take the 20 ml pipette. So this is actually used to take the volume in ml, and volumetric flask is mainly used for the liter or high volume, let's suppose half a liter or 1 liter. Okay, but the most or you can say, yeah, now that's the thing, that are the different apparatus. Okay, so let's talk about the density, guys. Let's talk about the density. I know you know that density is nothing but mass by volume, but there is a trick, guys. There is a twist. Some people don't know that whenever you calculate the density, let's suppose you are calculating the density of a substance, guys. You are calculating the density of a substance, let's suppose, then you have to take the mass of that substance only, guys, of that substance. You have to take the volume of that substance only, guys. Some people don't know that this thing, don't know this thing. Why? Because let's suppose you have a solution, guys. You have a solution. Let's suppose you have a solution of what NaCl in water. NaCl is nothing but the common salt that you use in your daily life. Okay, so let's suppose you have a solution of NaCl in water. Now you want to calculate the density of the solution. Guys. Okay. So what you have to take in mass, what you have to put on the place of volume. Then if you want to calculate the density, guys, of solution, so remember that you will take the mass of the solution. You will take volume of the solution. Guys. Okay, so on the place of mass of solution, you can put mass of NaCl plus mass of water, and volume of solution will remain the same. Okay, you will not put volume of water here, you will put volume of solution here only. Okay, so that's how you will calculate the density, guys. If you want to calculate the density of the solution, then you have to like put mass of solution, volume of solution. Some people take the density of the solution and they put only the mass of NaCl on the numerator and volume of water in the denominator, and that's the wrong thing, guys. That's a wrong thing. So remember that density of a substance is nothing but mass of that substance only and volume of that substance only, guys. So remember this thing, guys. Some people don't know this thing, so that's why I'm telling you. Now I want to calculate the density SI unit, guys. I want to calculate the SI unit of the density. Then how can I calculate? SI unit of density is nothing but SI unit of mass. You are putting mass over in the numerator, then you have to take the mass SI unit, and on the place of volume you have to take the SI unit of volume. Now we know mass has a SI unit of kilogram and volume has a SI unit of meter cube. Now that's make kilogram per meter cube as the SI unit of density. Okay, but this is the SI unit. Let's suppose I want to calculate the CGS unit. I want to know what is the CGS unit. CGS unit of density is nothing but 1 gram per centimeter cube. Some people write this as 1 gram per ml. Both are right, but the most correct representation actually is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, now how will I convert this SI unit to this CGS unit, or what is the relation between SI unit and this CGS unit? Let's calculate this thing. Okay, so density is nothing but 1 kilogram 1 meter cube. Okay, I can write this as from the SI unit. Now 1 kilogram is nothing but 1000 gram, and 1 meter cube is nothing but equals to, see, 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter. So what can I write over here? 1 meter cube is nothing but 100 centimeter cube, and that's make 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. So I'm writing over here 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube, and that's actually makes 10 to the power minus 3 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the relation between 1 kilogram per meter cube and 1 gram per centimeter cube. So we can write 1 kilogram per meter cube is nothing but equals to 10 to the power minus 3 gram per centimeter cube. So remember this, guys, because this is very important. Sometimes in the question everything is given in the CGS unit, but it is asking you the answer in the SI unit. Then you should know the relation between CGS and the SI unit, guys. Okay, then only you can calculate. So remember this thing, 1 kilogram per meter cube is nothing but 10 to the power minus 3 gram. Just a second. Just a second, guys. Sorry, I haven't. No. Okay, then what I was writing. Yeah, so I can write 1 gram per centimeter cube is nothing but 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So this is the density, guys. This is the density. I think this is very easy for you. Okay. Now let's talk about the temperature. Temperature is something that you know already, that you can feel. Temperature has a different scales, guys. Different scales, like we have degrees Celsius scale, we have a Kelvin scale, we have a Fahrenheit scale. We have different scales: Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Now what is the relation between these three scales? Degree Fahrenheit is nothing but equals to 9/5 multiplied by degree Celsius temperature plus 32, and Kelvin temperature is nothing but equals to degree Celsius plus 273.15. Let's suppose in the question you have given, convert 25 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. Then how will you calculate? You will use this relation, because this relation is giving you is used to convert degree Celsius temperature into the Kelvin temperature. So we can write Kelvin. In Kelvin, the temperature will be 25 degrees Celsius is 25 degrees Celsius. 25 plus 273.15, and that's give you an answer of 298.15 Kelvin. Okay, so that's how you can solve your question. Similarly, if just a second, yeah. Similarly, let's suppose you have given a question that convert 10 degree Fahrenheit into Kelvin. Now how will you convert this degree Fahrenheit into Kelvin? For this, first you have to use this relation, because this relation will give you the temperature in degree Celsius by using the degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and then you can put this value in this formula and you will get the answer in your Kelvin. Let's do this question. Okay, so we have 10 here. Let's suppose we have a 10 here and we have 9 by 5. Now degrees Celsius plus 32. So we have to like 10 minus 32. Okay, and that will give you 9 by 5 degrees Celsius, and that's nothing but 10 minus 22, 9 by 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so minus 22 multiply by 5 divide by 9 will be equals to degrees Celsius. Now this will be the temperature in the degrees Celsius. That's equals to 5 into 2, that is 10, that make a carry of 1, 5 to 10, then 11. This will be temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay, now put this value over here. So the temperature in Kelvin will be equals to minus 110 divided by 9 plus 273.15. Okay, solve this thing and you will get your temperature in the Kelvin. Okay, so that's how you can calculate your temperature, guys. So I hope so you have understood this thing. Please remember this formula, degree Fahrenheit and the Kelvin formula, because that will be used in many questions. Okay, guys, so let's talk about the dimensional analysis, guys. Sometimes we have given a unit of something. Let's suppose we have given the units of, let's suppose length. We have given the units of length in meter and we want to convert in the inches. Then how will we convert one unit into the another unit? Okay, so for that we use dimensional analysis. Now how to do that? Okay, first remember that, guys, the dimensional analysis method is nothing but factor label method or unit factor method. Like, this is known as factor label method as well as unit factor method. Okay, so now how to do this? We will use an example for that to understand this thing in better clarity. So we have this thing, we have a question. One piece of metal is 3 inch, represented by in means it is the abbreviation for this. Inches, we have the abbreviation in. Long. What is the length in centimeter? What is the length of in centimeter? Now we have to convert 3 inches is how many centimeter? This is what the question is asking from you. So let's do this thing, guys. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, we have a hint here also. That is 1 inch is nothing but equals to, or you can write only in on the place of inches, because it is saying you can, on the place of inch, you can only use in as an abbreviation. So we will be using this thing. Well, I want more space, so I'm writing this over here, not here. Okay, so I want more space. So it is asking 3 inch is actually how many centimeter. Okay, good. So that good, you have calculated 7.62. Okay, so Siddharth answer is 7.62. Let's understand this thing. Okay, we have a hint here over here. That is 1 inch is nothing but equals to 2.54 centimeter. Okay, you can do this thing as 1 inch divide by 2.54 centimeter. That will give you a 1. That will give you a 1. Similarly, if you take the reciprocal of this thing, that is 2.54. Okay, 2.54 divided by 1 centimeter. 1 inch, and that's also give you a 1. Okay, if you take the reciprocal of this thing, then you will also get the 1, then you will also get the 1 over here. Okay, so now what I am doing, I am multiplying this whole equation by 3 from the both side. So what will I get? 3 in multiply by 2.54 centimeter divide by 1 in, and that will make you like 1 multiply by 3 in. Okay, from in is cancelled. Now I have to multiply 3 with 2.54, and that will make 7.62 centimeter is nothing but 3 in. That's how we can do the dimensional analysis and we get the answer 7.62. Good job, Siddharth. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. So the answer will be 7.62 centimeter, guys. So remember this thing, guys. Whenever you are doing the dimensional analysis or whenever you are converting, one unit into the another unit, then remember the unit in which you want to convert should be put in the numerator. Okay, if you want to convert in centimeter, then your centimeter should come in numerator. Okay, so let's do this thing. Convert this volume into the meter cube. So the question is asking you 2 liter is equals to how many meter cube? The question is asking you, guys. I have already taught you that 1 liter is nothing but 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. So you have a relation. Now let's calculate this thing. Yeah, good job, Siddharth. Good job. The answer will be, wow, good. Guys, we have 1 liter is equals to 10 to the minus 3 meter cube. So this is very easy because 1 liter is this thing, 2 liter is how much? We have to just multiply this thing. So we will get 2 into 10 to the minus 3. That will be the answer. That's a very easy question. Now let's do the next thing. Question is, how many seconds are there in 2 days? Now it is asking you 2 days is equals to how many seconds? Calculate this thing, guys. I know you know the relation because this is very easy. This is from your class 8th. Calculate this thing, guys. Okay. For your simplicity, I am giving you a hint, guys. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Okay. And 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is nothing but equals to 60 seconds. Now calculate in 2 days there will be how many seconds? Okay. Okay, so I'm doing on the screen. You can do in the comment box, guys. Okay. Okay. So I know in 1 hour 60 minutes will be over there. So in 24 hours it will be 24 multiplied by 60 minutes. Good job, Siddharth. You get the answer 172800. Okay, let me check. Okay, so I know in 1 minute 60 seconds. So in these number of minutes, I will be getting 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 seconds. So we have 1 day. We have these many seconds. Now in 2 days, how many seconds over there? That will be 2 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60. And that will give you an answer of 172800. Good job, Siddharth. Your answer is again correct. Good job. Okay, so let's talk about the another question. If the speed of light, and that is the exercise question, guys, NCRT exercise question. If the speed of light is 3.0, and that's not 108, that is 10 raised to power 8. 3.0 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Calculate the distance covered by light in 2 nanoseconds. Now that's the question, guys. Now you have to use the relation for the speed. Okay, so I'm giving you a hint over here. Speed is nothing but equals to distance upon time. Distance upon time. Distance upon time. Okay. Now, for the speed, you have a unit meter per second. Okay. Or you can say, yeah. Okay, so you can say that distance is given in the meter and the time is given in the seconds. But it is asking you the distance covered in these many nanoseconds. So first you have to convert this nanosecond into a second. Now we know, guys, 1 second is nothing but equals to 10 to the 9 nanoseconds. Okay. So these many nanoseconds will be how many seconds? Let's calculate this thing. 1 nanosecond is nothing but 10 to the minus 9 seconds. So 2 nanoseconds will be equals to 2 multiplied by 10 to the minus 9 seconds. So the question has become very easy. We have a speed. We have a speed in which distance unit is meter, time unit is second. Now we have to calculate in these many seconds, how much distance will be covered. Okay, so let's put the values. So speed is 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Distance that we have to calculate. Time is 2 multiplied by 10 to the minus 9 seconds. So that's make distance will be equals to, okay, distance will be equals to 3 into 10 to the 8 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 to the minus 9 meter per second multiplied by second. So second will cancel this per second. So we have the answer over here is 6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 1 meter, and that's nothing but 0.6 meter. So this will be the distance, 0.6 meter will be the distance covered by the light in 2 nanoseconds. Okay, so we have understood everything, guys. If you have any doubt, you can message me on the Educator app, guys. So this is my link. This is the, 1 second. This is the link to my profile, guys. If you have any question or you have any doubt in any topic of chemistry, you can message me over there and you can ask me your doubts. I will give you the answer. Or in any case your doubt is big, then I will arrange a special class for you. Okay. And if you are planning to take the subscription, then you can use my code, that is KJEN code, for getting 10% discount, guys. Thank you so much, and please like, share and subscribe this channel, because I want to help those guys who don't know Hindi very well, and because of that they are lacking in their studies, or they are lagging in their studies, guys. Just a second. So remember my schedule, guys. No, today we will not be having the class at 10 p.m. On this channel. We will be having a class at 10 p.m. but not on this channel, but on Let's Crack JEE channel. And yeah, so if you know Hindi, then you can come and attend that class, because I am teaching actually salt analysis on Let's Crack JEE channel, guys. Okay. Guys, remember that time are actually changing because of the festivals. But yes, today is 16th November. So after that, I'm planning to take the classes on this timing. But I can't be, sure, because I have told you that if any educator is taking the class at 9 p.m., then I will not be able to take the class at 9 p.m. live. I will be taking the class at 10 p.m. because on YouTube, if someone is live, then another guy can't come live at the same time. Okay, two people can't come live on the same time. So that's why if any educator is taking the class at 9 p.m, then I will not be able to come at 9 p.m live. So guys, there will be no class at on this channel. Okay, you get the updates here. You get the updates if you subscribe the this channel. Okay, bye bye. I hope you will enjoy Bhaiya Dooj today. Oh, sorry. Hmm. So bye bye guys. Please share and subscribe, and please share this channel to your every social sites. Guys, you can also follow me on t.me/Unacademy Komal Jain. So bye bye.